This is probably one good reason why I shouldn't have done this stick. There is so much Dremel work, so much cleanup work that I'm really struggling with it. So I'm not going to show a whole lot of grinding or anything on this video. I'm just really sure that I'm going to have to put something else in here in between this and the finish of the stick. Otherwise it's just going to be Dremel stuff. So let's see how it comes out on this video, and we'll go from there. Thank you.
Alright, what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to smooth the stick out between the words, so the stick itself is level and not all humped up between each word. That's what I'm trying to do. Like I said before, I just might have bit off a little bit more than I could chew. Should have practiced on a little bit smaller piece, something a little bit maybe just a couple of words or something, but we're gonna keep going just to see how it ends up. It's looking so right now as far as I'm concerned. So let me get the camera set up and we will get going on that. Alrighty. me get the camera up here. Best laid plans of mice and man. The old saying. I didn't want a whole video of cleaning up, but it looks like it's going to be that way. Some tools I tried actually made it worse than it was before, so I got to go over that and try to straighten that out too. I mean, it's not coming out terrible, but not as smooth and nice and pretty. It's probably going to be better, but it's going to take a lot of work to get it that way. So stick with me. I apologize for this, but I want to show that not everything goes like a lot of the videos do. You see guys, they whip things out in about an hour and it's perfect every time. I don't know. To me, it never does that. It takes me longer. And I was even actually reading a thing where a guy I follow on Instagram, he does pyrography, and he makes shields about this big around. With the whole shield he puts about 60 hours in one shield. So he's over in Europe. He's got a show going on in Norway coming up pretty soon. God, I wish I could get over to some of those things. But anyway, what I'm saying is please hang in there with me. I will. My thing is perfection, I guess. That's what the wife accuses me of. She does the firstborn, secondborn, thirdborn thing. Firstborn is a perfectionist, she says. Or secondborn is a perfectionist, and I'm a secondborn. So everything has to be just right for me, and it's true. All my little duckies have to be sitting in a row here. So I will stop babbling, and thank you for watching, and please hang in there with me. Okay? Okay. Well, I believe you got the gist of what I was doing there. I was using a plain old end mill, actually, and just trying to level the stick out between the words. Like I said, it's a lot more than I thought it was going to be. I really didn't expect all the problems, but I guess I should have, because I haven't done anything like this before. So, you know, duh. To try to just whip it out is not going to be the thing. And this is basswood, which is so much different than aspen. I believe if I'd have done this on aspen, if they'd had one in stock, I think it would have ended up a lot different. I really do. Basswood is soft. It's great to carve on and stuff. But it's not as soft and buttery, I guess you could say, as aspen. My opinion only. Somebody else might say, you know, basswood's the best thing since sliced bread, but it's just my, you know, I like basswood. I think it's a great wood, but I think I should have done it on aspen. But anyway, enough with the excuses. I guess I'm just going to end it right here for today. My back is killing me again, and it's getting a little late. So it's a beautiful day out. We've been having cold weather. It's supposed to be down into the 60s tomorrow for a high. So it's been a strange spring. Real wet, stormy, warm, hot weather, 90s, and then dropped down into the 50s, and it's just been strange. strange. So I'm gonna let you all go. I'm gonna clean up out here, go back in the house, grab me a sody, and sit down in a comfortable chair. Alrighty, talk to you all later. Bye-bye. Okay, today I'm still in the cleanup mode of the lettering. Like I said before, I think I bit off just a little more than I could chew here on this. Too many words. Should have made it a little simpler. No, should have made it a lot simpler. But anyway, I'm sitting outside. It's cool. Almost too cool to sit out here with the breeze, but it's tolerable. I'm using the little sanding cones on my small one, and then I have the bigger cones for the bigger Dremel. But I don't know. I'm hoping that I can get more than just grinding and cleanup for you guys on the next video. But like I said, I'm in the mode of cleanup right now, and it's a slow process. So let me get the camera set up and we'll go from there. Alrighty. And remember, grab your cane, your hiking stick, your walking stick, whatever you use, and get out there, because nature is beautiful.